Hello, guys. This is your boy, the Kings on the Planet. If you uh, if you have been into crypto for years, like 6 months, a year, and you are a regular person, and that means you are going to need a Twitter account. You will have been using your Twitter account for so many activities. So you just have to know this because if you don't do this, you will just see that your account will be banned or be restricted for no reasons. And why do you have to do this? You give permission to these crypto companies or crypto websites in order for us to do their task and earn some points. So after the listing of this crypto, many of us have even forgotten to go and do this. So please watch the video from the beginning to the end. You need to do this immediately after a crypto project has come to end, like immediately the project is over. You need to do this. This is very, very much important. So that apart from the fact that the crypto is over, they can use this kind of applications, this kind of connection to track you or to access your personal information or do some other things like that, because the authorization we are giving to them is just to be able to see everything we do on our account, and which makes your account not to be secure, most especially if your account is a monetized account or some other things like that. So you need to do this. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you find this information useful. Please don't forget to be part of this community. I'm sharing updates on scams, cryptocurrencies. I give you updates on real-time value of all the coin, and most especially how to withdraw and claim some coins. Also updates on when the new project has been established. So guys, I'd like to see you in the next window. Stay tuned. Love you guys. You are welcome to the second chapter of this information. So the first thing you need to do is to locate your Twitter application, or Twitter web. So you log on to x.com or Twitter application. Just click on your Twitter application like this. So wait for it to load. So immediately your application load. So you are going to see one something here. Head here, I mean your profile head. Click on that, your profile head. So you're going to see another one here, which is settings and support. So click on the settings and support. So you're going to see another pop-up right here, which is settings and privacy. So click on the settings and privacy. So you will see a lot of things listed out in settings and privacy. So what you need to do is to just click on security and account access. So immediately you click on security and account access, then you are going to see app and session. So click on that, and so now we have connected apps. So we have connected apps using account history, login device, and apps. So you will see connected apps. So click on connected apps, and you're going to see these are the apps I've connected with my Twitter account. And if you want to actually unauthorize one, so you just click on the app permission. So immediately you click on the revoke app permission. So this particular thing, the application will be removed from your Twitter account. Video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. So wish to see you in the next content. So love you guys and wish to see you all.